Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Dominus from Bakon. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and it's a very cool looking character and actually very easy to draw. So we're going to start out by drawing the inside of the hoodie first, and we'll start out at the top. Let's draw like a little wide angle like this. And then from these corners here we're going to come down, we'll just bracket down. And then on the bottom here we'll just kind of round it out. Okay, so that's the inside, and then now let's go ahead and draw in the eyes. So right in the middle of this space right here, let's start up by drawing a slant, going up. And then from the corners here, just kind of come down with a curve. That's going to give us the, I guess, the evil looking eye. Okay, so very simple. And then now to draw the outside of the hoodie, we'll just follow this bracket. On the outside, just kind of bracket around this inside face right here. And it could be a little bit skinnier on the bottom here. And then the bottom, we'll just round it out again. So we're just drawing a little border all the way around. And then to finish up the top, we'll just go up And then for the very top here, we just round it out. Okay, so very easy face to draw because there's no details. Okay, and then now for the on the shoulder here, it's got those two circles right here. So right on the corner of this, I'm gonna draw in one big circle. Okay, same thing here. Start on this corner. Just try to draw another circle about the same size. I know these are always tricky. Okay, and then on the inside here, this one's easy. We'll just draw another circle. Okay, and then now we can draw in those feathers right here. So right on top of this circle, okay, right here, I'm just gonna curve up all the way up here. That's gonna be the very tip, and then we're gonna come back down, and it should hit the hoodie, so we're just gonna tuck it right behind. Okay, so at the top of this circle right here, just draw a curve all the way up, and then come back down right behind the hoodie. Okay, so I'm gonna draw one more, and this one's gonna be a little bit smaller. So start here, just curve, and then have it come down. Alright, so same thing here, just come out, one curve going up, and just have it a little bit shorter than this, and then come back down. Okay, so that's two on each side, and if you want to draw in one more, this one's gonna be a lot smaller. That's only if you want to do it. Okay, so just curve up and then just close it off. So it's kind of like right behind those other two, so we won't be able to see as much of it. Okay, so just go up and just kind of come back down. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. So I'm going to start out with the armpit right here. And then now we'll curve it in, because it's got a really skinny waist right here. And then just kind of come down. And now let's draw in the inside. You can draw in two little marks like this first. Go all the way down here. Just stop a little bit short of this. And then we'll close this off with a slant. Okay, and then around the neck right here, just one little curve. Alright, so that's the torso, and now let's draw in the arms. So right here is going to be the armpit. Draw two little lines like this. And then now for the shoulder, just come out right around here. One big curve. So this one's going to be really muscular. Same thing on this side, just curve down right around here. And then now for the bicep, so start on the inside, start back at the armpit, bracket. Okay, so just one big bracket here. So this is going to be the elbow. And then now for the lower arm, I'll start on this side. We'll flare out, curve, and almost straight down, and then we'll just close that off. So this is going to be his wrist. Okay, so we're right around here. So let's draw on the other side as well. So we'll flare out, slight curve, and then this one's almost straight down. Close that off. Okay, so those are his arms, and then now for the hand, let's draw on this side first, because this one's going to be holding the dagger. Okay, so for the inside right here, just one little hook for the thumb. Start on this side, here's the back of the hand. And then for the fingers, just kind of dip down and hook it back up right behind the thumb. Okay, so this side's going to be slightly different. We got to draw in the knife first. So right underneath this, just going to draw a little curve like this. Right in the middle right here, I draw a little slant. Now for the knife, this side right here, just slant down. And then this side here, just kind of come out, stop a little bit short, because we're going to connect this with one big curve. So this one seems like a little bit of a perspective. Okay, so that's the blade, and then now to finish up the handle right here, continue this, same slant as this, and then we're gonna draw a little U shape right here and tuck it right behind the knife. Okay, so now to finish it, here's the thumb. Just come down and then just kind of tuck it in, and then on the back here, just come down, all the way down. And we can show some of his other fingers, just one little curve here. And if you like, we can draw one more, just one more finger on the back right here, just one small curve. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit tricky. Actually not too bad, but now it looks like he's holding onto the blade. Okay, so now let's draw in the legs, and it's gonna be a lot easier here. So right in the middle, just come down. Let's draw a little mark first. Start out here on the side. It's gonna be his thigh right here, just come down. And then inside, just curve in to his knee right here. So same thing here. Curve, and then on the inside, curve. And then now for the lower leg, we'll flare out. We'll pinch this in, this slight curve, and this one is almost straight down. Close it off. So same thing here, we'll flare this out. Slight curve going this way, and this one is straight down. Close it off. Alright, and then now for the shoe, really simple. We'll start on the inside here. Just come down. And then on this side, we'll curve, and we're gonna go out, and then just kind of curve down and close this off. Okay, so start on the inside, just come down, come out, and then just one big bump, curve back down, and then close off the bottom. And that is it for this Dominus. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.